In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my day hiking backpack and what's in it. Let's get into it. To start off, this is the 511 Covert 18 backpack. I've done a review of this specific bag on my channel. You can go check it out. To start off, I got the top pocket here for some nice ease of access. I got a little napkin, blow in your nose or tissue or whatever. And then I got my sunglasses. And sometimes I'll carry my phone in here because it's got this nice padded, fleece sleeve sort of material in here, so I keep my, cheap $5 sunglasses in there to get out in case it's sunny, or just, when I get my bag out of the car, I can reach in and grab it nice and easy. On the outside, upside down U-shaped pocket here, I got, a whistle and a little flashlight hooked to a keychain. I got a Sharpie, a pen, some extra chapstick, a little, Chick-fil-A alcohol wipe, and that's it. Moving on to this pocket down here on the outside, I just have some Gold Bond powder. You guys know that this can be helpful if you need it in a pinch or before or after. I just stick that in there, and then on this side I got a bunch of the wipes, a bunch more of them, just to clean your hands or whatnot. In addition, I have my nice Olight S1A Baton flashlight. This is a great light. You never know when you're gonna need something, or you're caught in the dark or something like that. In this bigger pocket here, I have my bandana, for wiping off sweat, dunking it in water and cooling yourself. Then I have the flushable wipes here. Obviously, you're not gonna be flushing them. And then I have this little mini first aid kit. This was like $1. It's just got some gauze pads, some band-aids. You can make your own. You could add stuff to this. And I also have some spare contacts at the bottom there, because I do wear those, nice, quick, and easy. On the outside here, then moving on, this is actually a concealed carry backpack. And in here, this is where you'd have your concealed carry, and I just have a little hat in here, just for some extra warmth. Just sticks in there nice and flat. And then I have on the side pockets here, just a big old pack of gum. Usually I have another water bottle. I do have a water bottle on this side. Then moving on to the inside here, this is actually where you can put a bulletproof, like notepad style thing that I'm eventually going to get, but I do not have it yet. And I keep some money down in here, some ones, some 20s, just some extra cash in case I need it or forget it. Then moving on to the inside here, usually I'll put a bigger charger in here, or I can put a water filter in here or something. But in the top little zipper mesh, I got chargers. I got a battery bank to charge my phone, cords, cables, everything in there. And then in here in the main compartment, I have my little survival kit, and I actually have some rubber bands around it in case I need those for whatever reason. And you guys can go check out my video to see what's in here. This is, I think, 1.5 pounds. I'll put up how much this whole thing weighs here. And then the other thing, I got my Eno hammock, the Atlas straps, and the hammock double nest. This is great for hanging out. Just have this in here in case I ever find a tree or 2 trees to, put this up, hang this up or whatever. And then I'll have my rain jacket. I always carry this as a Columbia something rainwater something too. I'll put all the links in the description to this stuff that you can check out. But this is just blue, dark navy blue of a rain jacket. You never know when you're going to get caught in a storm or rain or whatever. And then I just have an extra t-shirt for, if I'm sweaty and I forgot to bring one in the car, and, then I have an extra in the bag. And this, you can put a computer in here. Obviously, there's nothing in there now. And then I do have just an extra, water bottle down here at the bottom, so I can carry, 1, 2, 3, water bottles depending on how far I'm going. I can also put one in here too if I like. So there it is. That is my 511 Tactical Covert 18 day hike bag. Peace.